Today, we're diving into the captivating allure of Cabo Verde, a hidden gem nestled in the Atlantic Ocean off the coast of West Africa. With its stunning beaches, rich culture, and endless adventures, there are countless reasons why you should make Cabo Verde your next travel destination. So sit back, relax, and let us take you on a journey through 10 reasons why Cabo Verde should be at the top of your travel bucket list. Number 1. Pristine beaches. Picture yourself strolling along powdery white sands, with the gentle lapping of turquoise waves at your feet. Cabo Verde boasts some of the most pristine beaches in the world, each more breathtaking than the last. From the iconic Santa Maria beach on Sal Island, to the secluded shores of Praia Baixo in Boa Vista, there's a beach for every type of traveler. Whether you're seeking relaxation or adventure, Cabo Verde's beaches offer the perfect backdrop for unforgettable moments. But it's not just about sunbathing and swimming. Cabo Verde's beaches are a playground for water sports enthusiasts. From windsurfing and kiteboarding to snorkeling and diving, the crystal clear waters teem with marine life and promise endless excitement beneath the surface. So pack your sunscreen and get ready to experience the ultimate beach getaway in Cabo Verde. Number 2. Cultural diversity. Beyond its stunning natural beauty, Cabo Verde is a melting pot of cultures, shaped by centuries of history and diverse influences. With roots in African, European, and Creole traditions, the archipelago boasts a rich tapestry of music, dance, and cuisine. One of the best ways to immerse yourself in Cabo Verdean culture is through its music, particularly the soul-stirring rhythms of morna and funaná. Whether you find yourself in a bustling market or a cozy seaside bar, the sounds of Cabo Verde will captivate your soul and leave you longing for more. And let's not forget about the food. Cabo Verdean cuisine is a feast for the senses, blending flavors from Africa, Portugal, and beyond. Indulge in freshly caught seafood, savory stews, and mouth-watering desserts that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving seconds. Number 3. Spectacular landscapes. From dramatic volcanic peaks to lush green valleys, Cabo Verde's landscapes are nothing short of spectacular. Take a hike to the summit of Pico de Fogo, where you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of the surrounding islands and the vast Atlantic Ocean stretching to the horizon, or explore the verdant oasis of Paul Valley, where tropical fruit trees and vibrant flora flourish in the fertile soil. Whether you're an avid hiker or simply appreciate breathtaking scenery, Cabo Verde offers endless opportunities for outdoor adventure and exploration. But the beauty of Cabo Verde extends far beyond its natural landscapes. The island's charming villages and historic towns are a testament to its rich heritage and storied past. Wander through the cobbled streets of Mindelo, where colorful colonial buildings and lively markets beckon you to soak in the vibrant atmosphere. Or step back in time in the UNESCO-listed town of Cidade Velha, where centuries-old fortresses and churches stand as silent witnesses to Cabo Verde's colonial history. Number 4. Vibrant festivals. If there's one thing Cabo Verdeans know how to do, it's how to celebrate. Throughout the year, the islands come alive with vibrant festivals and cultural events that showcase the best of Cabo Verdean music, dance, and cuisine. Don't miss the electrifying atmosphere of Carnival, where colorful parades and lively street parties take over the streets of Mindelo and Praia, or experience the soul-stirring sounds of the Creole Jazz Festival, which brings together world-renowned musicians for unforgettable performances against the backdrop of Cabo Verde's stunning landscapes. But it's not just about the big festivals. Cabo Verdeans love to celebrate life's simple pleasures, whether it's a traditional Cape Verdean wedding or a spontaneous street party with friends and neighbors. So, come join in the festivities and experience the joy and warmth of Cabo Verdean hospitality for yourself. Number 5. Sustainable tourism. In recent years, Cabo Verde has emerged as a leader in sustainable tourism, with a growing focus on eco-friendly initiatives and conservation efforts. From eco-lodges powered by renewable energy to marine-protected areas that safeguard the archipelago's rich biodiversity, Cabo Verde is committed to preserving its natural beauty for future generations to enjoy. By choosing to visit Cabo Verde, you're not only supporting local communities and businesses, but you're also contributing to the protection of this fragile ecosystem. So travel responsibly, leave only footprints, and help ensure that Cabo Verde remains a pristine paradise for years to come. Number 6. Adventure activities. If you're an adrenaline junkie seeking heart-pounding thrills, Cabo Verde won't disappoint. The islands offer a wide range of adventure activities guaranteed to get your blood pumping. Head to Santo Antão for some epic hiking trails, where you can trek through rugged mountains and lush valleys, taking in breathtaking views along the way. Or for the ultimate adrenaline rush, try your hand at mountain biking down steep trails, or even embark on a thrilling quad biking adventure through the island's diverse terrain. But the adventure doesn't stop there. Cabo Verde is also a paradise for water sports enthusiasts. with world-class conditions for surfing, windsurfing, and kiteboarding. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner looking to learn, the islands offer ideal spots for riding the waves and harnessing the power of the wind. Number 7. Unspoiled nature reserves. For nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts, Cabo Verde is a paradise waiting to be explored. The islands are home to several protected nature reserves and national parks, where you can encounter an incredible array of flora and fauna found nowhere else on Earth. Explore the rugged landscapes of Monte Gordo Natural Park on São Nicolau, where endemic plant species thrive amidst dramatic cliffs and valleys, or venture to the remote island of Brava, known for its pristine forests and diverse birdlife. Keep your eyes peeled for the elusive Cabo Verdean warbler, or the colorful endemic finches that inhabit these untouched habitats. Number 8. Warm and welcoming locals. One of the most compelling reasons to visit Cabo Verde is the warm hospitality and genuine kindness of its people. From the moment you set foot on the islands, you'll be greeted with smiles and open arms as locals welcome you into their vibrant communities with warmth and generosity. Whether you're exploring a bustling market, sampling traditional cuisine, or learning to dance to the rhythm of Cape Verdean music, you'll find that the people of Cabo Verde are eager to share their culture and traditions with visitors. Number 9. Stunning sunsets. There's something truly magical about watching the sun dip below the horizon, painting the sky in a symphony of colors. And in Cabo Verde, you'll be treated to some of the most spectacular sunsets you've ever seen. Whether you're relaxing on the beach with a cocktail in hand or perched atop a scenic viewpoint, the beauty of Cabo Verde's sunsets is guaranteed to take your breath away. Each evening brings a new masterpiece as the sky transforms into a canvas of fiery oranges, soft pinks, and deep purples, casting a warm glow over the islands below. Each evening brings a new masterpiece as the sky transforms into a canvas of fiery oranges, soft pinks, and deep purples, casting a warm glow over the islands below. So be sure to set aside some time to witness this natural wonder during your visit to Cabo Verde. It's an experience you won't soon forget. Number 10. Authentic cultural experiences. Last, but certainly not least, one of the top reasons to visit Cabo Verde is the opportunity to immerse yourself in authentic cultural experiences that you won't find anywhere else. Whether you're participating in a traditional Cape Verdean dance workshop, learning to cook local delicacies with a seasoned chef, or attending a lively street festival, every moment in Cabo Verde is a chance to connect with the rich cultural heritage of the islands. From the rhythmic beats of batuque drumming to the intoxicating aromas of cachupa simmering on the stove, Cabo Verde will awaken your senses and leave a lasting impression on your soul. So don't just visit Cabo Verde, immerse yourself in its culture, embrace its traditions, and create memories that will last a lifetime. And there you have it, 10 compelling reasons why Cabo Verde should be your next travel destination. From its stunning beaches and diverse landscapes, to its vibrant culture and warm hospitality, the islands offer a truly unforgettable experience for every type of traveler. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Cabo Verde adventure today, and get ready to discover the beauty and wonder of this tropical paradise. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in Cabo Verde.